Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to virus failed virus detected message in Chrome and Windows PC fix. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this. Even when downloading a file from a legitimate source, it is imperative to ensure it is safe to download. Visit VirusTotal's official website. Copy the download link of the file you are having trouble downloading. Paste the downloaded link into the URL search bar. Press enter to continue. After the scan is complete, see if it returns as a clean result. If the tool detects some viruses, you'd better off not downloading the file. If the scan comes back clean but you're still getting the error, it is time to try something else. Check if the error occurs only when downloading a specific file. If so, maybe you need to download it from another source. Thus, try downloading the same file from another website, preferably an official one, and see if you are successful. If not, continue to experience errors while downloading multiple files. The problem is more widespread. Any security extensions you are using, especially virus scanners, might interfere with the download process and force Chrome to stop it midway. It is therefore advisable to disable all security extensions on your browser that you think may hinder the download process. By default, Microsoft Defender scans every folder on your computer. As such, it will prevent your download from completing it if it detects a virus. By excluding the destination folder where your file is being downloaded, you may get rid of the error. Unless you have changed the download location, follow the below steps to exclude the downloads folder in Windows Defender. In the Windows search for Windows Security and open the app. In the left sidebar, click Virus and Threat Protection. In the right-hand pane, click Manage Settings. Under Exclusions, click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on the Add an Exclusion button and select Folder. Browse to the Downloads folder or any other location you have set as a download location. Microsoft Windows Defender Firewall is notorious for blocking even completely safe files and process from downloading or running. Therefore, you may need to allow it in Windows Defenders exclusively to download the file. In Windows, search for Windows Security and open it. In the left sidebar, click Virus and Threat Protection. In the right-hand pane, click on Protection History. Locate and expand the blocked app or file. Expand the Actions drop-down menu and click Allow. This time, you should not encounter any errors when downloading the file. If the problem persists, tweak Chrome's security settings. Excluding the Downloads folder and adding the file to Microsoft Defender's whitelist should prevent the Windows built-in security scanner from scanning this file and allowing it to download successfully. However, if you still encounter the same error, we suggest temporarily disabling the Microsoft Defender firewall. If Chrome still considers your file a threat, you should disable its safe browsing features in its settings. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. In the right-hand pane, click Security. Check the circle for No Protection. Does Windows Defender still block downloading the complete save file? If so, let us tweak Registry Editor to force antivirus to stop scanning downloaded attachments. In Windows Search, type Registry Editor and open the program. In Path Explorer, copy and paste this path. Right-click on the Policies key, select New and then Key, and name it Attachments. Right-click on Attachments and navigate to the new dword value. Rename the newly created string value to Scan with Antivirus. Double-click on Scan Antivirus and enter 1 under Value Data, then click OK.